Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of King's Life Show. Hey man, I appreciate all the returners, subscribers, returner viewers. Hey, all my day ones, I appreciate all the love and support, man. It goes a long way, man. It means a lot to me. But hey, today is a little bit dark out. I'm gonna finally show y'all the Tesla screen because I'm having issues with the truck right now, guys. And it's only because I have a short somewhere and I found that short. So the battery is not staying fully charged as of right now. So by in the morning time, the battery will be dead. So I want to go ahead and show you guys what the Tesla screen actually looked like and what the truck looked like. I just washed it, man. It needed it. So let me show y'all. Here we go, guys. Freshly, man. It's looking good. I haven't washed this truck in a long time, y'all. Got the tires all wet up and everything like that. Got the Chevy in the back. Y'all drop a comment down below. Should I change the color of this? Now this is all of these stickers, guys, these are all original stickers. And I know when I paint my truck, this won't be there and this won't be there. But I kind of want to change the look. I kind of want to just go ahead and put the red one down there for now. All of this, guys, that you see, all of this gonna be done up the right way once I get the truck painted and get some body work done to it. It will be looking good. I will be putting that spoiler back on. The wheels will be changing. I will be going with 22s, possibly get some bigger lip in the back because I gotta have that fat lip in the back. Y'all see the interior, man. I just installed some LED lights in there too, so it's looking pretty good. Like I said, man, I haven't washed this truck in almost a year, man. It's looking pretty good, I can tell you that much right now, man. So with that being said, I don't want to hold you guys. Let's go ahead and get inside the interior. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get these keys. Let's get up in this truck, man, so I can show y'all the interior, man. Look at that. It's already looking pretty good. And yes, it's getting dark, so the quality is looking pretty good for now. But let me go ahead and show y'all these lights, man. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the radio too, so let me get this thing cranked up real quick. All right, guys, so as you can see, man, everything is lit up. Got the floor mats lit up, LEDs, man. I keep everything on red, so I don't know why the bed lights is not lit up, but we finna check and see what's going on with that right now, guys. There we go, man. We got the bed lights lit up as well, as you guys can see right there, looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and take a thumbnail picture right about there. But anyways, guys, let me go ahead and let the sunroof open, man. Let me let the roof back a little bit, man. Oh man, y'all see it go back. Yes, sir. We go ahead and get a view of that right there, man. That thing looking good, man. I love it. Love it, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and get back to the radio though, man. I'm getting too excited. But yeah, man, so this video is about me showing you guys the Tesla screen and everything that it does. As you guys can see, man, it's got everything that you can possibly have on a Tesla screen. It's got the apps here. It's got settings. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but yeah, Bluetooth, music, settings, apps, navigation. Let me show you guys the navigation so y'all can see what that look like on the Tesla screen, man. The way it loads up and everything, man, it's freaking sick. Uh-oh, wait a minute, y'all, we can't have that playing. But yeah, man, so this is the way it looks, guys. It looks really nice, man. It looks like it's professional done. Everything, man. I love it, man. I love the way this thing turned out. It looks pretty sick. But let's go ahead and go to the apps and show you guys a little bit of everything of, you know, what this thing do, man. So you got the YouTube right there. I do have to be connected. I'm not connected right now, so it probably won't connect to my YouTube channel. So it's gonna take a long time to load. Okay, let's go to something else, guys. We got car settings, we got the calendar, calculator, Bluetooth, navigation, the maps. Even have the Play Store on here, guys. Like, that is sick. But yeah, man, like I said, man, it's got everything on here. The only thing that it don't have is the backup camera, which I do need to install on here because I do have it. I just need to install it on the radio. But man, guys, like, I love the way this whole situation, this whole plan, man, it just worked out really good, and I like it, man. Like, I love it. I love everything about it. It just, man, it's nice. Let me do a walk around real quick so you guys can take a good look at the truck, man. And everything that you see yellow, all the yellow lights will be LED, blue LED lights. So it will be looking pretty dope, man. But you can see the screen from the window, man. That's what I like about it, guys. Like, it's nicely done, man. I'm glad I came up with this deal here. I love it. Like I said, I installed the red lights underneath the dashboard. Also, I had a guy in my comments, man. I really appreciate you. If you know who you are, which you do, he was telling me about the instrument cluster. Now, I did pick up some gauges to that way I can see what's going on with the truck, far as like the temp gauge, the oil pressure gauge, the speedometer gauge, and the voltage. And I got all those gauges, guys. Now I do want to eventually hook up the cluster, but as of right now, it will take a little time for me to figure the wiring out. Got the LED lights right there. Also, I installed the new plate today, the heartbeat of America Chevy's trucks. I did install that today. If you got an old Chevy truck, you gotta have that. That is a must, guys. That is a must. You gotta have that front plate, man. But like I was saying, in order for me to get this right, guys, like I would have to do a lot of brainstorming to get that hooked up, and which I am still gonna figure that out. Just give me some time. But for now, guys, I will be hooking up the pillar gauges, and I also got the speedometer gauge and everything. Everything is gonna be red LED, so everything is gonna be red inside. It's gonna look nice, you know. And it just, you know, I'm gonna leave it like that, guys. So but yeah, that's the way it looks, guys. It is getting a little dark. I just wanted to make a little quick video real quick on the truck, because I know I haven't really been posting the truck. I know you guys wanted to see the Tesla screen and everything, but yeah, man, let me just do a final walk around real quick, and then that's gonna be it for the video, man. On to the next thing for the truck. We are getting the door panels redone. The door panels don't look good right now, guys. As you can see, I'm not hiding anything. It's got scratches and all that. I want to get the whole door panel redone in red leather. It's gonna be nice. Also, I'm thinking about getting my King's Life logo inserted into the door to where I can turn on the light and it'll actually say King's Life on the door. So that would be pretty dope. I haven't seen that done yet, but I'm thinking about getting that done, guys. So final walk around, like I said. This door must be locked, but you can see the screen from the door, man. That is super dope, man. Also, guys, if you guys have an old school, you gotta have a fire extinguisher, man. You don't want to be driving around without it. You just never know what's gonna happen, man. Just be safe, man. You know what I'm saying? Just be safe, because everything on these old schools is custom. Well, as far as what I have here, this whole truck is custom. This whole thing is just, you know what I'm saying, custom out. So I gotta be safe, man, especially if I'm riding my daughters in here or my wife in here. I gotta think about them. But guys, like I said, man, this thing is super nice. I love the way everything turned out, guys. I will be figuring out the issue with the electrical tomorrow, or in the next couple of days. I will be trying to figure that out. I know I'm gonna have to order some things, redo my wires to make it look good and fix the issue, but we're gonna figure it out, man. But so with that being said, hey man, it's your boy King's Life checking out with another video, man. Y'all see I'm out working, at nighttime, man. Ooh, that truck looked pretty good, y'all. That thing looking, wait, let me show y'all the screen again. Ooh, that thing looking good, man. Hey, man, it's all about doing things on your own, man. Believe in yourself, trust in yourself, trust in God, and whatever you got in your mind that you think you can do, hey, man, do it, man. We only get one shot of life, man. So do what you want to do, man, and it's gonna turn out 100% better than what you ever thought about. You know what I'm saying? So do it, man. Don't procrastinate. Do whatever you want to do, and it's gonna turn out right, man. But this is King's Life checking out with another video, man. I'm out. Peace.